Hello, sweet friends and crafters. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. Today's project share is using the 4-ounce coffee cup sleeve set and the 4-ounce coffee cup holder set from Scrapdiva Designs. If you care to purchase the dies that I used in my project share, they can be purchased at this website right here. I'm going to be sure to leave links to the dies in the description box below to make it easier for you to shop. If you use Carol 10 at checkout, you will get 10% off your entire order. So let me go ahead and share with you the dies that I used. So I have Christmas Words 2, and I used this for the Merry Christmas on my coffee cups. And you can see that Christmas and Merry is in this set. And it comes with a backing die. And I did use that because it makes the words pop on your projects. So I did use that. And this is the coffee cup sleeve. So this piece covers the entire 4-ounce coffee cup. And this piece right here decorates the coffee cup, and then you get pieces to decorate the top of your coffee cup. I call this like a skirt on the cover. And then I used the 4-ounce coffee cup holder die set, and these are all the pieces that you get to make the box and to decorate it, and I'll show you that when I show you my projects. So if you can't find 4-ounce coffee cups in your local grocery store or department stores, you can get them on Amazon, and I will leave a link if I can find one down below also to make that easy for you as well. So I'll get started in showing you my projects. And of course I had to make a pink one, and I think these are just gorgeous. So I'll take the cup out, and you can see how cute the cup sleeve is. And you could decorate this more, but I decided not to because I had a lot going on the whole project, so I did not decorate the coffee cup more. But this is the sleeve that goes on top of the, I'll say it's a skirt that goes on top of the cover, and I'll take it off so you can see the inside of the coffee cup. And you can put little goodies in here, or candy, or whatever type of things you want to put in there to give away. And this is how the cover looks. And I just attached the skirting on top of the cover, and it just snaps right back on. And here is the holder, and here you see the Merry Christmas. And on this I did cut some 2mm foam and pop the words up on it so that they showed up really well on top of the box here. And here you see some poinsettia that I created. And I have a little die cut there that I put together and put on the box. Now it comes with the pieces to decorate. So you do get this, and you do get these to decorate, and the backings. And you can see I covered my box all the way around, and I did cover the inside of the box. To do this, all I did was cut one piece of this with a circle die from my stash that actually cut out this circle that was perfect. And I will put this back in. Then I have this one right here. Now I do have a tutorial on the poinsettia if you are interested in my videos. And all I did differently with these were made the same way as in my video. And all I did to get them frosted, the tips with snow, is to take some white paint, hit it up with a paintbrush, and then I sprinkled glitter on the paint and let it dry. And that gives you that frosted look. And there's a gingerbread from my stash. I have this one right here. To make this poinsettia, all I did was cut these out on white cardstock and then used some distress ink. You can use festive berries, or there's another fired brick. Either one of those would make this. And I put some glitter on top of that as well. And I got a little snowman here with this one. Pretty, right? And I did give all the tops of my cups little skirts because I like the way that look. Here's another one of the snow frosted poinsettia. And I have this cute little snowman, not snowman, but a Santa Claus with reindeer. Take this out and you can see the inside of that. Just to give you a few ideas on how you can create. Here's my blue one. I keep showing blue this year. There's a little snowman with this one. And I did create these poinsettia with the broken china distress ink, just in case you're wondering, in case you want to make those. Merry Christmas. This is really pretty. I love this paper. I wanted to use that pad of paper up this year. Then I have this one with this snowman and owl. And these poinsettias were created with the distress ink. Just give you an idea what a beautiful gift this makes. Then I have this one here. This one has a snowman and a reindeer with the frosted poinsettias. Snow tipped, I should say. So that is my project share for today. I hope you've enjoyed that and that you've get some ideas on how to create yours. I appreciate you stopping by. Please leave a comment below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when I post a video. So until next time, everyone, happy crafting. Bye-bye.